Hare Om, Namaskaram. Now, weather is so hot due to summer. That is why I decided to perform rudrabisheka on 29th April 2026 for rain. Also, I will do sankalpa for rain on 29th April 2026 through rudrabisheka. This address Sri Gayatri Temple, Matarbettu, Koteshwara, Kundapura Taluk, Udupi District. My contact number 7795971336. This temple newly constructed by us. Gayatri Temple. Also, here available solutions to all problems. Also, available astrologer, Nakshatra Nadi astrologer available. If you like to know about your future, I will explain through Nakshatra Nadi, KP astrology. Ahimsa Paramo Dharma, Vishwa Jiva Sankula Dharma, Vruksho Rakshati Rakshitaha, Satyameva Jayate.